We got some snow here last night and it got me thinking about the importance of snow to this forest ecosystem. It might surprise you to know that snow is actually integral to the health of both the animals and the trees that live here. And this is something that's being really closely studied, especially as we're realizing that we're getting warmer winters, we're getting less snow. In the wintertime when it's really cold, the snow insulates the soil. When there's no snow, those freezing temperatures get deeper into the soil and they cause a lot of damage to fine tree roots. And this has actually been shown to, especially in our maple species, to decrease growth by as much as 40% and cause them to leaf out later. It's also been shown that this freezing and thawing, having these cold temps penetrate more deeply into the soil, it causes more nitrogen to be leached out of the soil, and nitrogen is a limiting nutrient for trees. It's something that they really need. And it also causes less carbon to be stored in the soil. Forests are a carbon sink. They're absorbing all this carbon out of the atmosphere, and forests' ability to function as a carbon sink is something that we're realizing is really, really important, especially in light of climate change. If we expand beyond trees, there's a whole host of different critters that rely on snow. There's actually this zone, it's called the subnivean zone. There's all these different animals, especially rodents, that actually live in the snowpack, and they rely on the insulative properties of that snowpack to protect them from those cold temperatures. And when it's not there, they don't have that protection. The last thing I'll mention that's actually a benefit of snow that might not seem like it at first is its role in regulating our deer population. Historically, the populations of deer and other large herbivores were restricted by predation, so predators like wolves and catamounts that were driven out of Vermont hundreds of years ago, and notably by winter severity. So you'd have these very severe winters and it would kill a lot of deer and maintain that population at a sustainable level. And when we have deep snow, it makes it even more difficult for the deer to get around and thus to survive the winter. Deer overpopulation is an issue almost across this entire continent. And what we're seeing is with decreasing winter severity and decreased snowpack, that we aren't seeing the reductions in the deer herd that we really need to maintain a more sustainable population of deer in the landscape. And that's important to forest ecology because when we have too many deer, it's this incredible threat to our biodiversity and the health of our forests. So as you're out there this winter, breaking your back, shoveling snow, you can be grateful for all of the benefits that snow provides to our forests.